having a group of like-minded people there to write your goals down with for the month that leads to a set of other goals for the next month that leads up to a big goal is priceless.
Because we get to meet people from all over the place, not even just I'm in LA, but outside of LA, because Amy works with people all over the world. It's just a really good place to connect and network and just relax and have a good time.
I can share my wins, and I know I'll truly be supported and encouraged, and I love it here.
Not only do you get all this amazing coaching from her and from different people she brings in every month, but you also get the support of a group that is like-minded and people that are artists.
We can have all the training in the world, but we need to know how to book the job, right? And how to attack that audition scene. And Amy's guidelines give you an exact plan of attack.
You can essentially ask questions about the booking, about the guidelines. You can go over the technique. You can go over any type of struggles that you're having when you're auditioning.
Part of the Lyndon technique is knowing how to break down your scene. And the whole technique is based off of that. And Amy sits with you and goes over your homework and looks to see if you were able to successfully break down your scene with all the guidelines.
Amazing. She's brought me a long way. She's a beast. She's a booking coach beast.
You really get to see the method being applied and readjusted when you see that the actor, didn't make that transition, or that beat wasn't there, or the pacing wasn't right, or the tone wasn't right, or the environment wasn't there, whatever it was. You get to see Amy adjust that. You get to see the guidelines being actually applied.
Amy has such a wonderful way of telling you how it is and being blunt while still being very encouraging. She has like that perfect balance. She always tells you that you can do it, and as actors, we need that affirmation.
Not only do you get to be a part of a community and surrounded by your people, our kind, it's also a safe environment. Anyone else in any other branch of this industry cannot breach this chat room. It is only for actors.
Don't you wish you have a place like this, a virtual space where you find all these like-minded colleagues, right? To pick brains, share good news, just figuring out the business together and get the support that you need.
And I'm just thankful to Amy for providing us with the safe space to be able to do that and just talk about the things that are really like getting on our nerves or that are causing us frustrations in our auditions or with our agents or anything.
I think Amy has created a beautiful, beautiful little system here, and I cannot say enough good things about it.
What have you done to further your career? It's all about helping each other, cheering each other on, and I honestly don't know where I would be without this group. So I hope you join, because it certainly has changed my life, and I'm sure it's going to change your life. It's just as simple as that.
You have everything you need in it to stay inspired, all the teaching, like all the support, everything, because it takes a village to raise a star.